In this video, I'm going to give you 5 ways that you can get started with affiliate marketing today with no website. What is up, guys? Mike Vaya here with ImproveYourLifeToday.com, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe because this channel revolves mainly about making a passive income with affiliate marketing, and I also do course reviews. I've taken numerous courses, so when I get the chance I also drop review videos, so if you're interested in those as well, hit the subscribe. And it's all about making a passive income. Alright, and now let's get to the topic that we're actually here for. So 5 ways, I'm gonna give you guys 5 ways that you can get started with affiliate marketing today with no website required. Absolutely no website. So if you've been following my channel, then you know that I love to use websites, but when I started, I didn't have the money to create a website and the knowledge to actually get started with that. So I tried to go the cheaper route of not having a website, and I got some mild success. I made a few $100 here, a few $100 there, and there's only one, and I'll go through these examples once we jump into the computer. There's one method that made me over thousands of dollars, and that's ultimately my favorite method, but now that I have a website to go along with it, it's even better. But before I spoil the fun, we're gonna go through these in my top 5 orders of the best for last, so you're gonna have to watch the entire video if you want to watch my most favorite method. So let's go ahead, let's jump into the computer, let's go, let's get it. Alright guys, so we are now inside my computer, and the way I'm gonna work this video out is I'm gonna give you my least favorites to my most favorite and the ones I've actually gotten the best results with. And least favorite, number 5, Instagram. And the reason I'm giving Instagram the 5th place is because I don't have much experience with trying to promote an affiliate product with Instagram, but I know it is possible. I know you can make money from Instagram, but for me, it's personally not my favorite. I see it as very it's if you're into it, then great. You can be posting stories, posts. You can do now IGTV. It's growing, and in terms of just having that following on Instagram, it's different from other platforms. And see, I don't want to spoil the rest without like shooting Instagram down, but there's ways you can make money with it. If you have no money to get started with a website, then you can get started with Instagram. They give you the opportunity to put your link right over here, and in that link you can have your affiliate link. You can create a Linktree account, which is absolutely free, or you can make your own website. But again, if you don't want to make a website, if you don't have the money for it, we're talking about free here, then you're gonna do one of these right here, a Linktree account. And as you can see, my Linktree, I have my newest YouTube video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, the best course to learn affiliate marketing. So right here, this is an affiliate link, so I'm actually trying to get some of my Instagram traffic to actually click one of my affiliate links, my affiliate marketing mini course, and my website. So this is potentially a route you can take, and if you're very active on Instagram, if your following is like a diehard fan base that you have, then what the hell, it won't hurt. Social media it's popping, and if these people follow you and these people respect and learn from you, then you have the opportunity to actually make some money with your affiliate links, depending on what you're promoting. If it's your personal brand, if it's a brand of a product, whatever, you can do that through Instagram. Okay, let's go to number 4. Number 4, TikTok. Okay, and the reason I'm giving TikTok number 4 is 1, I see the potential, but 2, I haven't really messed around with it too much. Okay, so I can see that TikTok is becoming very big. I did not want to jump into the hype of making a TikTok, but what the hell, I'm into marketing, right? And if you're into marketing, then you got to see what's working out there, get these ideas flowing, and just check it out. And there's some interesting things on here, and it's very easy to create little sales videos on TikTok where you can get traffic to your affiliate link, to your product that you're trying to sell. So if you go ahead and view my profile, I just I haven't posted much on here, right? I'm not promoting much on here. I'm just, showing little snippets of my daily life, right? But I have one specific one here. Okay, want to learn how to make money online, and I go ahead and show, proof of income, how much commissions I've made, how much pending commissions I have, and I also show where I teach you this. So I'm kind of trying to redirect that audience to my YouTube channel, but you can do the same for an affiliate product, for a product that you're trying to sell and promote. Make a quick little TikTok video and send those people to it. Unfortunately, on the website version, you can't see the links here, but on the app, there's a link that takes people to Instagram or YouTube. And unfortunately for this one, you can't have a website unless you have over 1,000 followers. So I mean, I got a long way to go to get to that point, but it has potential, something you could work with. It's brand new, so maybe getting a following might not be too hard. Something I'll put some more focus into, and maybe I'll have some better TikTok videos in the near future. All right. Now, number 3. Okay, you're gonna like this one. I like this one. Okay, creating a Facebook page. Okay, it's super easy to create a Facebook page, and this one right here, Numerology Meanings, is something that I actually created way back in 2018. So this is my page, and I made this back in 2018, and I was running Facebook ads to this. As you can see, I got comments, I got shares. Pretty much this was my affiliate link. I'm not sure if it even works anymore. I'll go ahead and click it and see. Oh wow, my affiliate link still works. So this was my affiliate link to the numerologist site, and they would pretty much get started. And this link is incorrect. Click here to go to product page. Okay, so it's not working anymore. It's pretty much all messed up. But point is, Facebook pages were good for this stuff. If you don't have, the money to start a website, you can just post your link on a Facebook page. The thing about that though is, okay, if you're doing the route I took, which was I ran an ad, you cannot run an ad directly to the link. You're gonna have to have a website, or at least a landing page. A landing page can be cheaply done with Builderall for as low as, I think, $15, if I'm not mistaken, a month. You can have a landing page set up. Again, if we're talking cheap here, no website, you got no money for this, then you're just gonna have to stick to just posting the links on there, finding some videos, getting creative, and trying to, get traffic on there. But the thing about Facebook pages is right here where it says create page. I guess I didn't set one up for this one, but if you create a username, it is more likely to come up on the search results, and then that way people find it and click on it. People are searching on Facebook for a lot of things all the time, and you have the opportunity to make some commissions from there. From this specific page, I was making a few $100s per month from this little product here. So I mean, it works. I just moved on to bigger things than, posting on for free, actually having my websites, which does a lot better. But if you want to get started, Facebook pages work. Okay, so let's move to number 2. Facebook groups. Okay, so this one right here is my boy ODI Productions Facebook group, and it's really good to have a Facebook group. I absolutely suck at it. I created a group, and I haven't been very on top of that. It's just so hard when you still work a 9-to-5 job, 50 hours a week, and just trying to just put it all together. It gets pretty tough, guys. But we got to keep progressing. No excuses, right? I got to keep going hard at it. But if you see here, my boy Odie has a Facebook group, right? He has over 26,000 members. That's 26,000 people that are going to his group and just watching what he posts. So what does he do here? He has an announcement. He has a free guide. This free guide takes them step by step through his stuff, buys them in, and then boom, they buy his product, his courses, or his affiliate links to how to make websites or whatever. This right here, this method can generate you so much money. I know from so many people who have had so much success from Facebook groups. The thing is, if you don't have the money, this is the way to go, but you need the time. You're gonna have to put in time to this, because you gotta build relationships with these people. You have to talk to them, You have to talk to them. And now, my most favorite, my number one method, the method that I absolutely love, the one that's generated me so much money, is YouTube. You don't need a website to post on YouTube. You just gotta create a video, and you do not need to show your face if you don't want to. You can make videos without showing your face. On the description, you put your affiliate link and you make some money. Even with this small amount of subscribers, I've made so much money. I made so much money when I only had like 100 subscribers. So there's no truth that you need a huge following to make money. That's BS, guys. You do not need a huge following to make money on YouTube. If we go ahead and just click one of my videos, let's just do the 5 niches to start affiliate marketing today, right? Okay, and then we look here under show more. You're gonna see my little description here has a bunch of things, right? Most of these are affiliate links. My PDF Access, that's not an affiliate link. My website, that's not an affiliate link. The only course you need to make a passive income, that's Odie's course right there. I make a commission if someone signs up. I only promote products that I use, that I believe in, and I get a little percentage of that. My Odie course review, so if they want to watch the review and then buy the course, I have that as well. Mini course, that's not an affiliate link. My group that I need to improve on right here, expert secrets, traffic secrets, these are affiliate links to Russell Brunson's newest book, Traffic Secrets, which I have over here. It's actually a great book, and it's free. So what makes this so freaking awesome, if you eventually want to be a ClickFunnels affiliate, you can promote people. I can click the link right now. You can promote people on these ClickFunnels products where it's absolutely for free for them to get. So that book was free. All I had to pay was shipping, okay? And they were doing a promotion at that time. For every book you sold, you got $20. So I made 3 sales. I made $60. But like, think about it. They made zero money. ClickFunnels made zero money. Now the science behind this, the reason Russell Brunson's crazy ass did this is because at the end he knows he's gonna have a long-term customer where he can keep selling to and make more money in the long run. So they pay their affiliates a lot of money in the beginning, and it's great. Like, I mean, check it out. This book is awesome. New free book shows 20 virtually unknown secrets, and there is a lot of secrets, and I might break down some of these secrets in some videos in the near future. But look at that, $9.95, shipping and handling, and boom, you get the book. That's it, no catch. $10 for a book. He has his upsells. You have, as an affiliate, I have the potential to make even more money from this sell. So I mean, YouTube, guys, again, if you have no money to get started with a website, then you can get started with YouTube. I mean, come on, guys, you gotta do it. You gotta go out there and hustle. If you really want to succeed in making a passive income, then you gotta put in the effort. Go out there and just grind it out. If you're not happy at your job, grind it out and find something else. Whatever your motive is, whatever is your purpose, to want to succeed in life, if you want that time freedom, if you want to be able to travel the world, you got to be able to put in the work, and then you're going to have this passive income flowing in. Eventually, then you can make your own website, and that's going to be even much better because it's ranking on Google's search engine. And you're going to be crushing it, guys. So just come on. Conquer it, guys. I wish you the best of luck with your journey in entrepreneurship and making a passive income, if it's with affiliate marketing or something else. I hope these 5 tips helped you out. You got now 5 ways to get started with no website at all. Choose one, run with it, and let's make some money. This was Mike Vaya. Thanks for watching. Improve your life today.com.